Alright guys, so I'm at Bailey's Castle, which is Castle Hill. So you've got obviously a river over here, which is the Shallows, I think. It's called the Shallows. I looked on the map. So different location, but this is an old Saxon. I think it's Saxon, but I'll read that later while I'm having a vlog with coffee. I can't stay here too long. So let's get this chair set up, guys. I'm going to actually kneel down because the ground's quite dry-ish. No, it's not. Oh well. I have to do it standing. As you are. So I couldn't go to the old ironage. This is not ironage. I think this is Saxon, I think. There's like a farm near here. A farm. This is why you need the map, all terrains, honestly. It makes it a lot easier. I could go on any terrain that I want. Just click that in. Good thing about during the day is I don't have to have external lights, you know what I mean? Some deer come through here, saw some deer dropping and some wild ponies, obviously fresh turds. So some deer come up here as well, that's good. Could I wild camp here? Probably. It's getting here, mate, isn't it? You need lightweight stuff to get here, mate. Like bare minimum. Literally bare minimum, guys. Let me touch the camera. Right guys, that's trekology share done. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.